So this gearbox is powered by a DC motor which is connected to the topmost shaft. This DC motor is used to act as the acceleration of the vehicle or the engine RPM. As the DC motor will be moving at a constant RPM, we can consider that the acceleration and the engine RPM will be constant throughout the working of the system. The front panel of the gearbox is purposely made transparent so that you can see the internal working of the gearbox as we change the gears one at a time. So now let's switch to the first gear. We will now be using a tachometer to note the changes in output RPM of the wheel each time we change the gear. Let's switch to the second gear. You can see the changes in the RPM of the wheel in the tachometer. We now switch to the third gear. We can now switch back the gear and check out the changes in the wheel RPM. This is how the system works. Thank you.